So before filming this video today, I thought that I should put on some makeup and then I can sit in front of the camera and start filming the video as per usual, but I decided to just leave my bare face without any makeup to genuinely tell you guys how I take care of my skin and how I get rid of acne and pimples. There are a lot of people out there with acne and pimples on their face. They are embracing the look. I really like that. But if you are feeling uncomfortable in your own skin because of your pimples or acne, then of course, I will show you guys how to quickly get rid of them. So for cleanser, I don't use anything fancy at all. I use Cetaphil right here, and it's super gentle for your skin, not too rough and not too dry. You know there are a lot of cleanser products out there when you wash your face, and when you're done, your skin gets so dry. Cetaphil doesn't do that to your skin, so you can definitely use this if you want to. However, if you have a more serious acne problem, a recent breakout, then I would recommend you to use this Mario Badescu enzyme cleansing gel. This is very strong, however you can use it twice a day, but I would recommend you to use it twice a day, only 2 or 3 days per week. Now that I'm done with showing you guys those two products, we're gonna jump to the next product. It is a facial toner product from Thayers. I really like this toner. I have used different toners in the past and I always come back to this one. You really don't have to use the products that I'm using. I also think that you don't have to invest a lot of money buying expensive skincare products. You can definitely try out cheap ones from Target, but please try out different products here and there to see which one works with your skin better. This one works really well with my skin, and my friends also use this product, so I'm pretty sure that this is for all skin types too. So after you wash your face, you would use this product, put a few drops on your cotton pad, and then go ahead and rub it around your face, and it will go ahead and pick up all dirt inside of your face pores. When you buy a whole bunch of facial products, it's actually very important that you have to follow an actual order of which product to use first and which product to use last. So you always want to start with serums or eye cream or anything that sounds serious to you, and then the last step should be your lotion. So this next serum is super important for you to use if you want to get rid of acne or acne scars. Is this CeraVe Retinol Serum. Gently even skin tone, helping to fade the appearance of post-acne marks and pores for a refined complexion while helping to restore the protective skin barrier. So the next product that I would use on my face after all the serums is this Calming Glow facial oil. This facial oil will help brighten up my skin and also keeping my skin hydrated, which is much needed. If your skin is too dry, then you will start getting pimples. Last but not least, I top it up with my favorite lotion, and it is just this Balancing Light facial cream. As I mentioned earlier in the video, you really don't need to use this lotion, but I would recommend you guys to find any lotion out there that helps preventing acne. I will leave some links in the description below. The final step, I would recommend you guys to use facial spray from Mario Badescu. It will just lock everything in place. You want to put this on as the final layer. So this facial spray will help refreshing your skin, keeping it hydrated. So now that you have a perfect skin routine and you are using a lot of good products on your face, but then one day you wake up and you have this giant pimple on your cheeks. It happens all the time. My best advice is just to focus on getting rid of the pimple rather than trying to figure out what went wrong. If that happens, I would recommend you guys to use another Mario Badescu product. Is this drying lotion, It is a little bit pricey, but I can promise you that this will last more than a year. You would use a cotton swab and you dip it inside a bottle and pick up this pink solution right here, put it on your pimple. When you wake up the next day, your pimple will be much smaller and smaller and smaller every day, and then it's gonna get rid of it after 2 or 3 days. Sometimes the solution will get rid of your pimple literally the next day, but sometimes it will take a little bit longer than that. Alright you guys, with that said, I hope you guys will be able to figure out your new skin routine. I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, please use my comment section below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.